What if one farm in America could grow enough food to feed an entire city? This is not science fiction. This is the future of farming. Across the United States, some farms are so huge they operate like billion-dollar businesses. Behind every field is a powerful system of machines, storage, and logistics. These intelligent tractors do more than drive. They plant thousands of seeds with exact spacing, saving time, fuel, and labor. From the sky, AI-powered drones inspect every section of the farm. They can spot crop stress, disease, and water problems before farmers even notice them. When harvest season arrives, these machines work non-stop. A single modern harvester can collect massive amounts of grain every hour. Today's farmers are not just working in the field. They are also managing satellites, data systems, and artificial intelligence from inside control rooms. Smart irrigation gives crops exactly the water they need. That means less waste, healthier plants, and better harvests.
Even dairy farms are becoming fully automated. Robots now help farmers milk cows faster, cleaner, and more efficiently than ever before.
Every harvest depends on more than just soil and sunlight. It depends on engineering, technology, transportation, and years of agricultural innovation. The future of food is already here, and it is growing faster than ever. Would you trust technology to grow the food on your table? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more.